Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ostrich neck. First, carefully clean and trim any excess fat or silver skin from your ostrich neck pieces. Next, preheat a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sear the ostrich neck on all sides until it develops a deep, rich brown crust, which creates a wonderful foundation of flavor. Remove the seared neck and set it aside for a moment. Now, using the same pot, add 1 large chopped onion, 3 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Sauté these vegetables until they become soft and translucent, typically taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Deglaze the pan with 1 1/2 cups of dry red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those delicious bits from the bottom. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and a sprig of fresh rosemary for depth. Once the aromatics are fragrant, return the seared ostrich neck pieces to the pot. Add enough beef broth to just about cover the meat, ensuring it will stay submerged during cooking. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer on the stovetop, then cover the pot tightly. Transfer it to a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to braise for 3 to 4 hours until the meat is fork tender and easily pulls apart. Carefully remove the tender ostrich neck from the pot and set it aside to rest. Strain the braising liquid through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids, and return the liquid to the pot. Reduce the sauce over medium-high heat until it thickens to your desired consistency, concentrating all those wonderful flavors. Shred the meat and serve it generously with the rich sauce, perhaps alongside creamy mashed potatoes or polenta for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.